In today's video, we're going to be discovering nature, trees and plants at a coffee plantation. Stay with me, Kavya, from a green venture to know more. Coffee and pepper is often known as the pride of Karnataka. And why not? These two plants are grown extensively in coffee plantations throughout the state. In Chikmagalur right now, you can see these beautiful pepper vines and you can even see coffee growing on the ground. Coffee Arabica was brought by Babu Budan, who planted the coffee beans in Chandagiri hills of Chikmagalur. Today, coffee is the most loved and consumed beverage in the world. Karnataka contributes over 70% of coffee in India's foreign trade. The Arabica variety seen here requires more shade and longer time to grow, but the beans are exquisite. The pepper plant, Piper nigrum, is native to India. Its roots in Kerala. This aromatic spice grows in most parts of the Western Ghats today and goes back to 1200 BC in India, playing a huge role in trade between countries during early times. Known for its antifungal, antibacterial, and heating properties, this much used herb is used in many cuisines in the world over and has an important place in all households. Devanhalli Pomelo, Citrus maxima, is a popular variety in Devanhalli, located commonly in Bangalore rural district. High in vitamin C and a huge biodiversity attractor, known for its sweet, tart, pinkish flesh, and it has its ancestry to the grapefruit. The view of the trees during our walk from the bottom was simply stunning. We couldn't help but take so many pictures. We also came across huge banyan trees, Ficus bengalensis. This one especially stood out in beauty and age. The presence of a banyan tree means great soil for other plants, regular flow of nutrients underground. It is an umbrella species which supports other forms of life with food and shelter for birds and insects, one of the biggest contributors of oxygen. Their top roots support the main trunk as the tree ages. The new roots of the banyan are known to have Ayurvedic properties. The aroma and taste is similar to fresh peanuts. Chewing these freshly picked ones is really healthy. We also love using these in our homemade hair oil. The presence of mushroom indicates an extremely healthy soil. How? Mushrooms have a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, supplying rich nutrition to them, and in return, they get nutrition from the plants back, which comes from photosynthesis. This is known as mycelium. These extremely tall silver oak trees were testament to that. We were left in awe at how majestically tall the trees were, certainly the largest we have ever seen. Silver oak, Grevillea robusta, is native to Australia, found very commonly in Karnataka, and major attractors for birds and bats for nesting. The Cape jasmine species here, Gardenia jasminodis, is a highly fragrant species that thrives in warm regions, pleasing to keep, and emits one of the strongest aromas, especially towards the evening. These date back to the Song dynasty, which is over 800 years ago. Hibiscus Rosa sinensis is an easy to grow flowering plant in most places. The petals can be used for tea and high in vitamin C. We came across several beautiful kinds at Chikmagalur. Take a look at the colors. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to our virtual tree walk. Thank you for watching.